We'll guide you through how to link email button in WordPress. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open Google Chrome on your desktop or laptop computer. Click the search bar at the very top of your window. Type WordPress into the field to find the official platform. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to begin the search. Select the official WordPress link to navigate to the main homepage. Click the Start My Site button found in the center of the page. Choose the Continue with Google option for a fast and secure login. Pick the Google account you wish to use for your website's profile. Scroll down the permissions page and click the Continue button. Input a name for your website if setting it up now. Click the Search Domains button to find a unique address. Select the domain option that best fits your project or identity. Tap the Add to Cart button for the domain you have chosen. Click the Continue button to move forward to the next step. Select Start with a free plan from the Plan selection menu. Click Continue with Free Plan to access your management area. Wait a moment for your WordPress dashboard to fully load on screen. Find a Quick Links section on the right side of the dashboard. Click the Write Blog Post option from the available drop-down menu. Type a professional title for your new post in the top field. Click inside the body text area where you plan to write content. Tap the plus button on the right side of the editor. Choose the button block to add a clickable element to your post. Click the link icon on the small toolbar above your new button. Type Mail to, followed immediately by your email address into the box. Click the recommendation link that appears below the input box to confirm. Add the button text and press Enter on your keyboard to save it. Verify that your email button is active and formatted correctly for viewers. Click the Save or Update button in the editor corner right now. View your blog post by clicking the Open in New tab icon on the page. Click your new email button to test that the link works as intended. Confirm that you're directed to Gmail to start a new message.